How to report a lost or stolen voice card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your voice card is lost or stolen, here is what to do with updated latest guidance. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you can do is freeze or block your card immediately. So here simply open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here once inside the app you can just tap on the cards tab at the bottom, and here you can simply select your card. And here once you have selected the card you can just tap freeze card, and this will instantly prevent all transaction. So there you can just tap again to unfreeze if you find the card later. And for the stolen card you can also tap on the card, and after that you can just tap on replace card, and for the reason you can give the reason like my card was stolen, and choose this option to fully block the card permanently, and after that you would not be able to unfreeze a blocked card later. And with that, moving forward to the second step, that is to report the loss and theft. So here, if your card was physically stolen or lost permanently, you can choose the relevant region in the replace card flow within the app or website, and your present card will either be frozen or blocked depending on your choice. And if you suspect fraudulent or unrecognized activity, you can report it immediately using the WISE authorized transaction reporting form. And if you can't log in, you can contact WISE support directly. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to order a replacement card. So here, after reporting lost or theft, you'll be prompted to order a replacement card. So provide or confirm your delivery address, and Wise will dispatch a new card after a small fee. And that's it. That's how you can report a lost or stolen Wise card. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.